Hello everyone, let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the Kingston Server Premier 48GB DDR5 ECCCL 46DMM. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's built for the demanding environments of data centers, cloud servers, and businesses that need rock-solid reliability. Kingston designed this Server Premier line with a clear focus: stability and compatibility. They understand that downtime is not an option for their target audience. That's why they use a locked bill of materials. This means the key components are fixed, ensuring consistent performance and reducing the risk of unexpected issues down the line. They also offer multiple locked options, which is great because it increases the chances that this memory will play nice with your existing server setup and ensures a steady supply, which is crucial in today's market. This particular module boasts a speed of 5,600 metric tons s. That's pretty fast, and it translates to quicker data processing and improved overall server responsiveness. The ECC, or Error Correcting Code, is another critical feature. ECC memory detects and corrects errors on the fly, preventing data corruption and system crashes. This is especially important in applications where data integrity is paramount, such as financial transactions or scientific simulations. The CL46 latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, but it's a reasonable trade-off for the stability and error correction you get with ECC. The 2RX8 configuration refers to the memory module's organization. It essentially means it has two ranks of memory chips, which can improve performance in certain server architectures. The fact that it uses Hynix MDI is also noteworthy. Hynix is a reputable memory manufacturer, and their MDI is known for its performance and reliability. Kingston has gone the extra mile to get this memory certified by Intel, AMD, and various server manufacturers. This certification provides peace of mind, knowing that it has been tested and validated to work seamlessly with a wide range of server platforms. Before you rush out and buy this, double-check the compatibility with your server's motherboard and CPU. Memory compatibility can be a bit tricky, and it's always best to consult your server manufacturer's documentation or use Kingston's online compatibility tool to ensure a perfect match. In conclusion, the Kingston Server Premier 48GB DDR5 ECCCL 46DMM is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their server's memory with a focus on reliability and stability. The locked bill of materials, ECC functionality, and manufacturer certifications make it a dependable option for demanding environments. Just remember to verify compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.